Hi everyone, it's Tiffany here to do my recap for the day. Microsoft was on my main watch list this morning. I liked the price action, the volume was pretty good for Microsoft, and I had some daily levels that I really liked. So I spent some time watching it this morning, and it was terrible at the open. If you can see these 5-minute candles, it's pretty much all wick, and it's about a 2-point move in between. So I then turned to my good buddy Tesla. I saw that the RSI on this first 5-minute candle, it popped down to the oversold line. So when it came back up and tested the VWAP, I was thinking that it might come back down and test this daily level right here again, and then I was going to take it as a reversal to the long side. But as I sat and watched it try to set up for that, I realized that it looked weak. As the 5-minute candle closed, a bear candle closed, it came back up and was testing the VWAP, and I noticed that on the 1 minute it was hugging the 9 moving average. And so after the first 15-minute candle closed as a bear candle and it came back and tested the VWAP, I went short. It also put up this nice doji on the 1 minute, and it just really felt weak, that it was going to lose it. So I put my stop loss above this 20 moving average on the 1 minute because it was not going above that from the open. So I went short there, and I did take a pretty quick 10% partial and then moved my stop to break even because I had it in my head that it could possibly still pop down to this daily level and turn around. So I wanted to go ahead and lock in a little bit of profit here. So then it came down and touched this daily level. I partialed out 50% of my remaining position, and then I had a 407 level mark from the daily, and it reached down there. And then I partialed out another 50% of my position, and then it came back up, and I thought it was testing these moving averages on the 1 minute, and it was going to come back down. I didn't think it had too much further to go down because it did. It was down through the RSI, and there was a large wick to the bottom side on the 15-minute chart. However, I added thinking it was going to at least test this level one more time, then I was going to be able to add and then exit my position down here. But anyhow, I added and realized it was going back up to the VWAP. So I got out of my position when it started breaking through the moving averages. And then I traded Snap as my final trade. Let me go ahead and just let you know. So today we had a ton of stocks on the gappers list, and it took a long time for me to narrow down what I really wanted to watch. And on days like this, I typically overtrade. It takes a lot of patience, and I know I struggle with discipline on days like this. So keeping that in mind all day, I was very, very picky and choosy with what I was trading. And also knowing that, I think it kind of affected my trading today. Like this Snap position, I kind of scalped it, which I was getting. It was hard for me to find the perfect setups. They just weren't there for me. I don't know if I wasn't watching the right things or what, but actually I know that there were plenty of opportunities in the market because I would pull up a stock and see a perfect setup for me, but it just wasn't happening for me. Anyhow, the Snap trade, I saw that double top was happening, and as you can see right here on this first peak, it popped up through the RSI line, and then it made a second attempt for this daily level, and the second top couldn't quite make it as high as the first. It started making new 5-minute lows, 15-minute low, and the new 15-minute low came after this nice doji candle. And it started losing the moving averages on the 1 minute as well. So when all of that happened, I went short with a stop at the high of the previous 5-minute candle. I took 2 25% partials and the rest 50% partials of my remaining position. I don't feel I was really patient and calm in this trade. Again, psychologically, I was not trading at the best of my ability today. But so anyhow, the remaining shares came up and stopped me out at break even. Or actually, no, I did not stop out at break even. I saw that it was breaking through these moving averages again, and then I ended up exiting my position. It was close to break even though. So like I said, hard day today. I stopped with those 2 trades, and tomorrow's a new day. I hope you all had a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.